There are two basic types of multi-cookers: multi-cookers with a pressure cooking mode and multi-cookers without a pressure cooker mode, which are essentially slow cookers with some added features. Both types typically range in size from about 4 to 8 quarts. And it's also good to know that while these kitchen helpers offer a lot of cooking in one appliance, they do take up a significant amount of space. They're at least the same size as an 8-quart stock pot. The multi-cookers CR looked at weigh in at about 10 to 22 pounds and are about 10 to 14 inches high, 11 to 19 inches wide, and 12 to 16 inches deep. CR rates each multi-cooker on how convenient and easy it is to use, and whether it offers a programmable setting, so you can set the cook time to whenever you want. Here's what each type has to offer. Multi-cookers with a pressure cook mode offer a more hands-off approach to meals because you're not standing over a hot stove or checking on the oven. And because they use pressure, these multi-cookers can sometimes speed up cooking time. They typically cost about $70 to $250 depending on the size and the number of features. To test the multi-cookers, we picked recipes and foods that typically take a long time in the oven or on the stovetop. So our experts cooked up batches of pork ribs and beef chili using dried beans. FYI, you'll save about 2 hours on the ribs versus the oven in pressure cook mode. In fact, all of the multi-cookers we tested in the pressure cook mode cooked in about 2/3 the time of an oven or a stovetop recipe. We also made white rice and steamed broccoli and carrots to see how these functions performed. These multi-cookers can also slow cook, saute, and keep food warm. And some come with add-on features like air frying, crisping, dehydrating, and sous vide. We tested all of those features. So if those kitchen tasks are important to you, check out our ratings and individual product reviews to see how different brands and models performed. Overall, multi-cookers with a pressure cooker mode can free up counter and storage space by offering several features in one appliance. On the other hand, if you just want a slow-cooked one-pot meal, you can save some money on a multi-cooker without the pressure cooker option. These are generally lower priced, about $50 to $180. Most of these multi-cookers are slow cookers that can also saute, steam, cook rice, and keep your food warm. And remember, if you're only going to use the slow cook feature of the multi-cooker, you might consider just a slow cooker, which often costs less money and slow cooks better than multi-cookers. When you're shopping, check out the pot that comes with your multi-cooker. Most pots are non-stick and can be removed for easy cleaning. However, some popular multi-cookers use uncoated stainless steel, which can be tougher to clean but is more durable. Another consideration, many pots are round and may have trouble fitting bigger cuts of meat. You can find oval-shaped multi-cooker pots too, but of the models CR tested, oblong pots only came with multi-cookers without a pressure cooker mode. Finally, have fun. While multi-cookers do have a steep learning curve, don't give up. Most come with recipes, so experiment and enjoy. For more information and a full list of our multi-cooker ratings, check out consumerreports.org. We pay for all of the products we test, we're a nonprofit, and we accept no advertising. Thanks for your support.